Hi there, my name is Wendy Madsen and I'm the Special Projects Manager for the Wyoming Legislative Service Office. And most recently that title encompassed restoration of our 130-year-old Wyoming State Capitol. It was a $300 million job that took 5 years. As part of the restoration of the Wyoming Capitol, policymakers recognized how vitally important technology would be, not only currently to serve the needs of the citizens of our state, but as we move forward in the future. A building like this is incredibly difficult to restore because there's brick masonry in the walls, and so to add AV into these rooms really represents a tremendous commitment to technology. What technology really does is provide for the vision of this building to be the people's house, to really make that true whether you can physically be in the location or not. It also provides for equal access to all of our citizens. When we talk about the people's house, it's important to recognize that government serves all the people, and the goal is to meet them and their accommodations, either physically in the building or remotely.